Hey everybody, I have a quick video for you today. We're going to make a small project that'll be great for people just starting out, or you guys that have those little soup can forges. It's a small project that'll get done real quick. It's going to be a little key chain hook for hanging your keys up on the wall, made out of a horseshoe nail. It's a size 6 that I have right now. So we'll take you through how to make one of those, and then that'll be it today, probably. Alright, the tools we're going to be using for this project is going to be a ball-peen hammer, because it's a light hammer. You don't need a big, heavy hammer for this one. And we're going to end up using a 30 seconds drill bit to drill the hole for the mounting screws. And for heat today, we're going to be using just a store-bought propane torch. This is an easy project that anybody just starting out can go ahead and get started on. And we're using a size 6 horseshoe nail for our stock today. Alright, so let's get started. First step we're going to do, now that we got it heated up, is lay that one side that sticks out a little bit more on the anvil and hammer it out a bit. Till we get a nice little pad like that. Things all nice and flat. Okay. We'll get started on our scroll. Just brush her down along there. And we just brush her up and around. There's a start there. Or scroll one more heat and do it again, and then she'll be good. Finish up our little scroll here. Straighten it all up. Finish tightening it. Alrighty. There we go. Alrighty, here we go. Start bending it over the horn of the anvil to put our hook in. Just keep brushing it along here. Yep. Take out the little bend we put in it here. Alrighty. There is our hook. Next thing, all we got to do is drill the hole in the back pad we got. See you for that. Alright, let's start drilling. Alright. There's our hole. All we gotta do now is just wax it and it's done. Alright. It's all finished. A little scroll. A hole drilled. We took it from a size 6 horseshoe nail, turned it into a little key hook. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you saw some things I could do better, Let me know any advice, what you thought about it. Tell me if you liked it, if you didn't like it, and if you didn't, what you didn't. And what you did like, tell me what you liked about it. I want to try to get these videos as good as possible for everyone watching, and they're also to help me get better and how to show people what I know. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.